Listen, if you're a producer over 40, you're way too old. Way too old to be listening to anyone telling you that you're too old to make music. You're not. I'd be lying if I said it's never crossed my mind. There's been times when I thought I'm too old to make music. The myth that it's a young person's game, you need to be fresh out of college, fresh out of uni, and all over the latest trends for you to make it in music. It's not true at all. Last November, I turned 45, the ripe old age of 45. And I still feel early 30s, late 20s. But what I do know is my music sounds a lot better than it did 20 years ago. Maybe you haven't been told that you're too old to make music. Maybe you just told yourself that, and it's starting to get loud, because if you keep telling yourself something, it's going to get louder. 85 to 90% of my clients or artists that I've worked with are younger than me, and we've still been able to create bangers, some good music. So your age is not a setback, it's a superpower. Being over 40 gives us an unfair advantage. So let me talk about that. So when you've been around for a while, you bring something to the table. You bring something to the table that some younger producers might not have yet, and that's experience. Just think about all those years of listening to music, understanding trends, working on projects, collaborating with different people. It shaped your ear, it shaped your style. I know you've got some hidden gems in your locker that you just can't teach overnight. For me, an 18-year-old life coach is questionable. I'm not saying that they can't teach us nothing, because I believe one of the keys to life is just being open to learning. So you can learn from our youngers. So let's talk about skills over age. The tools we've got now. We've got different DAWs, we've got sample packs, plugins, softwares, synths. We've got tons at our fingertips that we can just use to create music. It doesn't matter if you're 20, 60, we can all learn to use them. All that matters really is just how you apply them. Let me tell you about this lady on TikTok, this older lady on TikTok. I got a message saying thank you for helping me with Logic Pro, and I didn't know what it was, so I had a look, and the lady she reposted one of my videos which was helping how to do something on Logic Pro. So if you just open your Logic Pro session and all you can see is a plugin, don't panic. All you got to do is press Command and 1 on your keyboard, shuffle. Let me just have a quick look at her profile, because her energy was up. So I looked on her page, and yeah, she's there creating beats, and she's like incredible what she's doing. You can see the authenticity, how genuine she is, how much she loves making beats, how much she loves being a learner of making beats and understanding Logic. And you could just see like the joy in her face, and it's inspiring. You can see for a fact, you can tell that she doesn't give a toss about what anyone thinks about her. And that is admiring. That is probably why she's doing what she's doing. We can all take from that and be comfortable, be happy in what we're producing. So I was scrolling on Insta, and then I saw her on Insta, but it was a post from Timbaland. So Timbaland posted her making beats.
Continuing on my music journey, what I want to do is finish a beat that I had started. This is a snippet of it. So yeah, my goal is to finish it, mix it, master it, and release it all by myself. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try, okay? So, all right, thank you for listening. Let's go.
She's proof that age does not limit creativity. And to that, salutes, because we can all take something from that. We can all learn from her. I can't remember her name, but I'll leave a link in the description so you can go and check her out and just vibe with her. So if you've been thinking you're too old to engineer, too old to produce, let me tell you, you're not. Being over 40 is not a barrier, it's not a setback, it's an advantage. You got the years of experience, the skills, the mindset to succeed. So don't let anyone, including yourself, tell you otherwise. It's all about your creativity, it's all about your skills, it's all about your passion. It's all about just being you and enjoying it. Enjoying what you're doing. We're not here for long. So just do what makes you happy. Didn't mean to end on a morbid note, but you get what I'm talking about. Appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.